quick video for you. Here's a must-have for your Milwaukee M12 3/8 or 1/2 inch impact stubby. There's the part number 49-16-2554. Show you how to put this on real quick. Simply going to slide it in, anvil down with the hole opening, push it in. Make sure to get your front like this, and then work it over. Careful not to rip this back part, but you want to start out like that. Now it's on, nice and good. I had to put my 2 back fingers in the back and work that around. You just got to be careful of this part not to rip it. But get the anvil through the hole first. Get this piece on, that piece, and then just work it. And make sure to keep these straight and make sure you get room.
I don't think my wife and the kids are going to want to get into it.